All right, official release of my brackets that I made that hold the clutch reservoir to a factory tab on the firewall for 3rd gen trucks and 4th gen trucks. So 2003 to 2018, these brackets will work for you if you have aftermarket hydraulics for your clutch. These brackets are made out of stainless steel. They have stainless hardware, stainless nutserts, stainless rivets. The badge is acrylic, and then the 2 washers on top both have rubber bases to them. That will prevent the bracket from loosening up over time, keeps it nice and sturdy, and also prevents it from rubbing through on your paint. Came up with the design a while back, went through a couple different revisions of it, and I really like this one the best. These new trucks, I'm not putting self-tappers into a $70,000 truck to mount this bracket. It's just not going to happen. It's a little cheesy to have it hanging by zip ties. That's not really that great of an option either, and that's when I came up with this. Mounts in the factory tab on the firewall. If your truck has auxiliary switches like mine does, you will need to relocate the plugs. However, I do make a bracket to relocate those for you, so just let me know if your truck is equipped with the auxiliary plugs, and I'll get you hooked up with that extra bracket as well. So this is going to be going for $65 shipped within the United States. If you're outside the United States, we're going to have to figure out shipping after that. But feel free to reach out to me at the email address that's down below in the description. Reach out to me on Instagram, and we'll get you hooked up with these. I'm doing a pre-order that starts when this is being released, which is the middle of July, and it's going to go through the middle of August, ending August 15th. Once the pre-order is done, those of you that have your orders in, I'll get the order for all these brackets set up. I'll get them made, and within probably 2 weeks after August 15th, they'll be shipping out, and you guys should be getting them in pretty soon. So when you order it, it's going to come with everything you need, all the hardware like that. It's going to come with stickers, and it's going to come with some keychains as well. Just let me know what color keychain you want when we start talking, and it'll be good to go after that. So I hope you guys like the bracket. I hope it solves the issue for you. It's just, you know, a normal brushed stainless. There's nothing fancy on them, anything like that. There's a couple little marks in them, and that's just from the manufacturing process of them being bent, so you're going to get that. But all in all, a really nice high quality piece made here, and you know, I think it looks great. It fixes the issue, and excited to be able to help some of you guys out with these trucks. So like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I can come up with some other cool stuff in the future for you guys. Thank you.